Hello Internet, and welcome to this adventure in lockpicking. Today I'm going to be slightly brave and open up this Brinks padlock here. I've never opened this before, let alone opened it on camera. However, this should be within my abilities. Like the master lock number 3, it is a 4-pin padlock. All pins should be of the standard type. The keyway is of similar size to the master lock. So the similar set of tools should be able to open it. So while I don't have any experience opening up this particular lock, it should be within my abilities because the master lock number 3 is within my abilities. So let this adventure begin, and may it end in success. Alright, so alright, I'm gonna have to change picks here. Something I'll be able to get in there. And that's right back up to right here. Let's try this one again. Okay, the issue with this pick is the front of this curve is too harsh. I'm turning in by that first key pin, which is actually set a little, if we look at the key, it looks like it would be set lower than everybody else. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright, so it wasn't my fastest pick of a 4-pin lock, but it is certainly another lock I have now opened. So, one last thing to say and this is a comment on how I usually end my practice sessions. I tend to start with my most difficult locks and end with locks like these. The reason being is, while the time to open these still varies, I can pretty much always get these open. These simple 4-pin standard locks. And that way I always end my practice sessions with success, which actually helps keep me motivated, particularly when I'm tackling the harder locks that I now possess and I either have yet to open or cannot open consistently and at all. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure, and have a nice day.